Hello students, this is Dr. Anshu Srivastav. Today I am going to teach about perspective of Kohlberg, moral development. Moral development is the process through which children develop proper attitudes and behaviors toward other people in society based on social and cultural norms, rules and laws. Kohlberg identified three distinct levels of moral reasoning. First, pre-conventional, second, conventional, and third, post-conventional. Each level has two sub-stages. People can only pass through these levels in the order listed. Each new stage replaces the reasoning typical of the earlier stage. Not everyone achieves all the stages. Level first, pre-conventional morality. At the pre-conventional level, most of 9 years olds and younger, some over 9, we don't have a personal code of morality. Instead, our moral code is shaped by the standards of adults and the consequences of following or breaking the rules. Authority is outside the individual and reasoning is based on the physical consequences of actions. Stage first of pre-conventional, obedience and punishment orientation. The child or individual is good in order to avoid being punished. If a person is punished, they must have done wrong. The second stage of pre-conventional is individualism and exchange. At this stage, children recognize that there is not just one right view that is handed down by the authorities. Different individuals have different viewpoints. Level second, conventional morality. At the conventional level, most adolescents and adults begin to internalize the moral standards of valued adult role models. Authority is internalized but not questioned, and reasoning is based on the norms of the group to which the person belongs. Stage 3 of second level, I mean conventional level. Good interpersonal relationships. The child individual is good in order to be seen as being a good person by others. Therefore, answers relate to the approval of others. Stage 4, maintaining the social order. The child individual becomes aware of the wider rules of the society. So judgments concern obeying the rules in order to uphold the law and to avoid guilt. Level third. After pre-conventional, level first, second level conventional, the third level is post-conventional morality. Individual judgment is based on self-chosen principles and moral reasoning is based on individual rights and justice. According to Kohlberg, this level of morality reasoning is as far as most people get. Only 10–15% are capable of the kind of abstract thinking necessary for stage 5 or 6 post-conventional morality. That is to say, most people take their moral views from those around them and only a minority think through ethical principles for themselves. Stage 5. Social contract and individual rights. The child Individual becomes aware that while rules, laws might exist for the good of the greatest number, there are times when they will work against the interest of particular individuals. The issues are not always clear-cut. For example, in his dilemma, the protection of life is more important than breaking the law against stealing. Stage 6 of post-conventional. Universal principles. People are at this stage have developed their own set of moral guidelines which may or may not fit the law. The principles apply to everyone. Example, human rights, justice, and equality. The person will be prepared to act to defend these principles even if it means going against the rest of society in the process and having to pay the consequences of disapproval and or imprisonment. Kohlberg doubted few people reached this stage. हिंदी में भी मैं इसको थोड़ा डिफाइन कर देती हूँ स्टूडेंट्स की आसानी के लिए। मनोवैज्ञानिक लॉरेंस कोलबर्ग ने अपने नैतिक विकास सिद्धांत में नैतिक विकास की 6 अवधारणाओं का या 6 स्टेजेस का जो 3 स्तरों में थी, प्री कन्वेंशनल, कन्वेंशनल एंड पोस्ट कन्वेंशनल, जिनका मैं वर्णन करती हूँ। प्री कन्वेंशनल स्तर, इसके अंतर्गत बालक किसी परिवेशीय तत्व या घटना के बारे में किसी व्यवहार को नैतिक या अनैतिक मानता है, जिसके मुख्य रूप से 2 अवस्थाएं होती हैं। पहला आज्ञा और दंड की अवस्था और दूसरा है अहंकार की अवस्था। फिर आता है कन्वेंशनल स्तर। इस स्तर पर बालक के नैतिक चिंतन और तर्क का आधार सामाजिक होता है, सोशल नॉर्म्स होता है। इस स्तर के अंदर 2 अवस्थाएं होती है, पहला प्रशंसा और दूसरा है सामाजिक व्यवस्था के प्रति सम्मान की अवस्था। तीसरा है पोस्ट कन्वेंशनल, जब बच्चे में किसी व्यवहार के उचित अनुचित, नैतिक अनैतिक, क्या सही है क्या गलत है, इसकी सेंस विकसित होती है, इसका संज्ञान होने लगता है, तो नैतिकता पोस्ट कन्वेंशनल स्तर पर आने लगती है। इसके भी 2 अवस्थाएं होती हैं, पहला सामाजिक समझौते की अवस्था और दूसरा विवेक की अवस्था। मतलब बच्चा सोशल नॉर्म्स के हिसाब से अपने बिहेवियर को करने लगता है, क्योंकि उसमें सामाजिक नॉर्म्स के प्रति, सामाजिक नियमों के प्रति विवेक विकसित होने लगता है। थैंक यू।